This is mission control for your AI agents. Claude Code Routines let you put an agent on a schedule, send it to the cloud, and let it work while you don't. Here is the full guide. Every morning, the same board fills up. Triage the new issues. Check the dependencies. Summarize what changed overnight. None of it is hard. It is just yours every single day by hand. A routine is a saved Claude Code configuration, a prompt, one or more repositories, your connectors, and a trigger, packaged once and run automatically. Think of it as an agent you launch into orbit. You define the mission one time, and it flies itself. Here is the architecture. The schedule fires in Anthropic's cloud, not on your machine. A full Claude Code agent spins up, clones your repository fresh, does the work, and pushes the result to a branch, even opening a pull request. And your laptop asleep. It is never part of the loop. Creating one takes a single command, type/schedule, and describe the mission in plain English. Every weekday at 9 a.m., triage new GitHub issues, label them, and flag anything urgent. Claude turns your sentence into a schedule and confirms the next run. It works on Pro and Max plans. Once Claude Code on the web is set up, your routines stay under your control. /schedule list shows every mission and its last run. /schedule update edits one in plain English. And /schedule run fires any routine right now without waiting for the clock. Routines can also be triggered by an API call or a GitHub event. That part lives on the web. Not every mission repeats. Schedule a one-time run, tomorrow at 6 p.m. Check that the release built cleanly, and it fires exactly once, then removes itself. A reminder, except the work is already done. 3 missions worth stealing. A nightly dependency audit. Check for vulnerable packages, bump the safe ones, run the tests, and open a PR only if everything passes. A morning issue triage, and a weekly changelog draft, written from the week's merged pull requests. So why not just use cron or CI? Those are great for fixed scripts, but they can't reason. Local cron needs your machine on. CI pipelines need YAML and glue code for every step. A routine is a full agent. It reads, decides, and adapts, and you set it up with one English sentence. 3 guardrails before you automate everything. Write specific prompts. A vague mission gets vague results. Make every routine land its work in a pull request, so a human always reviews. And remember, a green run status only means the session ran. Open the transcript to see what the agent actually did. The feature is in research preview, so details may evolve. That is Claude Code Routines. Define the mission once, and your agents work nights, weekends, and every morning before you're awake. Type /schedule and launch your first one. Thanks for watching.